In this video, we show you the PLC simulation feature in FPWN Pro 7. Why could it be useful to simulate the PLC? Simulating a PLC simply means that you do not need any hardware to make the program code run. The hardware PLC is here simulated in FPWN Pro 7, and you can write and check your program code without the need of hardware wiring. You just need a laptop with FPWN Pro 7 software installed. Let's start with a sample program. I declared here some variables and wrote 3 lines of program code. To activate the PLC simulation, go to Menu Bar, Online, Communication Parameters and select PLC Simulation. Once you pressed OK, the system is ready for downloading the project. Press the Online button in the toolbar and click Download Program Code and PLC Configuration to PLC. Confirm the upcoming pop-up windows with Yes. Now you are already online and you can check your program code and refine if necessary. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out the other videos on our website.
Panasonic.